Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FET has obviously formed the 5-wave move up that we talked about in recent videos. So that's basically our starting point for this analysis, because with this 5-wave move up that started on the 6th of September, we can call the rally wave 1 and then the pullback is circle 2. And from here, as I said in the last videos, we can watch for a possible reaction. We've had a first dip. This correction was quite, let's say, clear to read. Yeah, not easy to read, but it was quite clear because we had a 3-wave move down. Down here, we highlighted we might start a B-wave bounce. That B-wave reached 88.7 FIB. Textbook flat correction, 3 waves in A, 3 waves in B, and now 5 waves down in C. Looks technically complete to me. I will take the resistance area out now. Oops, we don't need the resistance area anymore. Only talked about this setup here yesterday in our member live stream and talked about how to jump onto a trend. Talked about a checklist, certain things to talk, certain things to go through when you're trading with Elliott Wave. That will tell you when it might be appropriate to enter a trade. And one of those points was to, can I call the decline complete? Doesn't necessarily mean that decline is complete, but one of those things, like the first point from the checklist is, can I call the entire decline complete? And yes, I can call it 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. That is an Elliott wave pattern, an ABC structure. Of course, there's more to this. We need breaks above resistances and so on. But overall, we've reached a support zone. Not only that, we've also reached the internal target zone, because this C wave has reached the ideal target zone between $1.23 and $1.28 or $1.29. We might not go very deep into support. The price could do, all right? The price could do, but we fulfilled all the minimum requirements for this correction. Please note, however, that the $1.09 level is really the last key support for wave 2. So if it really needs to, it could still extend. All I want to highlight is we have a 5-wave move up. We were watching for a 3-wave move down. That's possibly completed now. It could still extend because, yes, we have a small reversal candle, but it's not yet substantial evidence that the 3rd wave has started, circle 3. It should reach, and we can just define the upside target, should reach $2.09, but only if the 3rd wave starts from here. As I said, it could still go a little bit lower, and if it does, then $1.23, $1.21, $1.16, and $1.09 are the next relevant support levels here on the chart. Important, I think, to recognize that so far this is a 3-wave move. We can call it complete, but we haven't even broken above the recent swing high. So that's outstanding. Also, to be clear, circle 3 needs to be a 5-wave move. So this could be wave 1, and the wave 2 pullback is basically the higher low that follows afterwards. Yeah. So if we get a 5-wave move up like this, that could be then our next setup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then wave 2 pullback, and then we can carry on with wave 3 of 3. And overall, circle 3 should get to $2.09, yes. But see, we haven't even got anything yet that's clearly readable in this wave 1. So there's much more work to do to confirm a low is in, but this is the area that is now important for this week, because we've reached the pullback zone. Just important not to break below the $1.08 level, and I will watch for higher prices as long as we're holding above $1.08. So if you want to trade this, of course, you need to make sure that you find a pattern in here, some kind of a reversal signal that works for you. But this is the area that we can now use to watch for support, right? And if we break below $1.08, $1.09, yeah, maybe something more bearish is playing out, but at the moment it's looking quite good. Now, what you can never rule out is that this ABC in wave 2 just morphs into a larger ABC, okay? So it can still extend lower if it needs to, and that depends a little bit on the sector-wide, let's say the sector-wide tendencies in this market. But for now, it's holding up quite well. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.